we are learning the third stanza of the poem. Then at times I drooping sit and spent many an anxious hour. Nor in my book can I take delight, nor sit in learner's bower, worn through the day with the dreary shower. So he's telling that at times I droopy sit. कुछ टाइम मैं कैसे बैठती हूँ? Drooping. What is droopy? ऐसे क्लास में ऐसे bend होके बैठते हैं. When you're very tired, you bend yourself, right? So he's telling that the poet also at times sit in the class very droopy. He's very tired. He ऐसे bend करके class में बैठा. He sits bending in the class and spends many an anxious hour. And बहुत सारे. How many hours do you spend in your school? 5 hours, 6 hours, it depends. So he's telling that 5 hours, 45 minutes, whatever. So he's telling that whatever time he sits in the class, he's very anxious. Anxious means? He's always in tension, he's always worried. So he's always anxious, worried. So in class, he sits drooping and he's always worried about something. He's never happy in the class. Okay? Then what happens? Nor in my book can I take delight, nor sit in the learner's bower. Nor in my book can I take delight. What is the meaning of delight? Happiness or pleasure. तो पोएट बोल रहा है कि ना मुझे कोई बुक से खुशी मिल रहा है, ना मुझे स्कूल में बैठने से भी खुशी मिल रहा है. So he is having no happiness either looking to his book nor looking to his school. Neither he is getting happiness from his books nor sitting in his class. Worn through with dreary shower. So the whole time he sits in the class, पूरा time जो वो स्कूल में spend कर रहा है, the whole time he is very, what is he? Very sad. The whole time he sits in the class, he is very sad. How can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? So the poet is asking, जो bird जो होता है, bird का क्या काम है? What does bird do? Bird flies. Bird can fly anywhere. Bird can fly anywhere. It can sing, right? So bird is born for that. Bird ऐसे ही born है, to be free, to flew away to places, to sing beautiful song. लेकिन ऐसे एक bird को पकड़ के cage में रख देगा तो क्या होगा? What happens when a bird is kept in a cage? Yeah, bird's freedom is taken. जितना freedom bird के पास था, that's taken away, right? So the poet is asking, how can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? So the poet पूछ रहा है कि कैसे एक जो bird है who is born to fly and sing बस एक cage में बैठ के गाना गाए? Does it feel good? No. How can a child when fears annoy but droop his tender wing and forget his youthful spring? पूछ रहा है वैसे ही जो एक बच्चा है annoy means anger or yes. बच्चे हमेशा कोई बच्चों पे गुस्सा होता है तो वो डर जाता है, right? Students or kids never like to be getting yelled at or getting angry, right? So he's asking, जो बच्चे होते हैं वो क्या होता है? बहुत प्योर होता है. Children are very pure. So he's asking that कैसे एक ऐसा बच्चा उसका जो tender wings, what are wings? Wings. Tender means soft wings को small or very soft. So how can the child bend his wings and sit in a school and study? पूछ रहा कि कैसे एक बच्चा उसके जो soft wings है, how can he sit in the school and study? बच्चे बहुत प्योर है. बच्चों का क्या है, जब आप लोग छोटे होते क्या करते हैं? What do you do when you're kids? You run, you play with your friends, you have toys, etc. So जब तुम लोग स्कूल में आ जाते हैं, you don't do that, right? When you come to school, there are no toys to play with, right? You sit, you have to write, you have to learn, you have to read and everything. So it's asking that how can children forget their youthfulness? कैसे वो बचपना सब ये लोग छोड़ के एक स्कूल में आके बैठ के पढ़ सकता है? O father and mother, if buds are nipped and blossoms blown away, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the springing day by sorrow and chaos dismay. So they're asking that to oh father and mother. They're asking the question. किससे पूछ रहा है? Father and mother. They're asking. He's asking to father and mother. How can we a bud? Have you seen flowers? Yes. Have you seen buds? You've seen buds, right? So buds, फ्लावर होने से पहले ही बड्स को तोड़ेगा तो क्या होगा? वो कभी हिलेगा नहीं. So they will be dried out. If you pluck a bud, it will never be a flower. आप एक बड को तोड़ेंगे तो वो कभी फ्लावर नहीं होगा. So he feels the same. बच्चे को जब खेलना है, एंजॉय करना है, आप उसको हाँ एक केज में बैठा दिया है, जैसे एक स्कूल में बैठा दिया, तो वो कभी उसका लाइफ एंजॉय नहीं करेगा. जैसे फूल ब्लॉसम होके फ्लावर हो जाता है, द चाइल्ड विल नेवर ब्लॉसम टू अ गुड पर्सन. ही इज आस्किंग दैट टू हिज हु इज ही आस्किंग? टू द पेरेंट्स, टू द फादर एंड मदर. How shall the summer arise in joy, or the summer fruits appear? So he's asking that if you're plucking the buds, how will the summer be joyful? पूरा buds को आप निकाल देंगे, तो how will the summer be very joyful? Summer कैसे खुश रहेगा? अगर सोचो, now it's the flowering season of mango trees, right? जब mango में tree होता है, सब कुछ flower आप पहले तोड़ देंगे तो you'll get mangoes, right? You'll get mangoes. No. So you have to wait till the flower become mango. ऐसा होता है ना, आप उसको कभी पेड़ से तोड़ते नहीं. You don't take it away from the tree. It remains in the tree. It will become a flower. Then it will give a mango. Right? The same happens with us also. So पहले ही हम पूरा buds को निकाल देंगे, तो we will never become fruits. We will never become flower, or we will never become fruits. Or how shall we gather what griefs destroy, or bless the mellowing ear? What the blast of when the blast of winter appears? So is telling that ये summer में ही पूरा जो स्कूल में जाता है उससे जो भी सैडनेस मिल जाता है, वैसे सब मिल जाएगा. तो जो विंटर के लिए जो भी है, थक जाएगा तुम लोग. जो अगले साल आ रहा है, the winter coming, the next season coming for you, you will become very happy. ये पूरा समर, listen, the whole summer you are going to school, you are getting very tired, you are very sad. It's like you are plugged away. So will you ever be happy for the coming season? No, right? जब पूरा आपके समर में ही पूरा आप लोग एनर्जी लो हो गया है, तो whole battery is low, then will you be happy for the next years? No. So the poet, according to poet, he says that summer time में there should be no schools. Summer is to enjoy. Summer time में क्या होता है? Summer, spring, जैसे winter के बाद जो spring season होता है, summer season होता है, उसमें पूरा जो buds है वो फूल हो जाता है. फिर फूल से जो भी चीज है वो फ्रूट बन जाता है, right? First it's buds, then it becomes flower, then it becomes a fruit. So if the bud is destroyed, there will never be any fruit. So it's telling that students should never be put into a school where they have to study, they have to read the books. They should always be left free. जो childhood है आपका, childhood हमेशा किस चीज के लिए होना चाहिए? फ्री होना चाहिए. यस, यू हैव टू बी फ्री इन योर चाइल्डहुड, सो देन लेटर आप लोग बहुत अच्छे, जैसे मैंगो बहुत मीठा मैंगो आपको मिलता है, वैसे भी आप लोग भी बहुत अच्छे इंसान बन जाओगे. दैट इज व्हाट द पोएम. नहीं, जो अच्छा होता है वो मीठा होता है ना. आम जो अच्छा मीठा आम है वही ना हम लोग खाते हैं. डू वी गो टू एनी शॉप एंड आस्क गिव मी अ सावर मैंगो? कभी हम लोग जाके पूछते हैं कि imagine you're going to a listen, you're going to a fruit shop. कभी आप लोग एक राइप मैंगोस देखते हैं तो आप खरीदने से पहले उससे पूछेंगे ना ये मीठा है ना, पूछते हैं आप लोग? कभी हम लोग नहीं ना पूछते कि खट्टा है, पूछते हैं नहीं. So we always need the sweet mango. जैसे sweet fruits है वही हम लोग को पसंद है. So like that students should also be very free in their childhood so they can become sweet fruits in their coming years. Okay, so read the poems at home. Thank you.